Today we're in Warwickshire. We're going to visit Warwick Castle, we have a little trip to Stratford-Upon-Avon, and of course we're going to give you a review of our hotel. Let's go.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're in the Premier Inn in Warwick and Hayley's going to give us a room tour.
Time for a room tour. So, start with the bed. This is a nice good bed. Nice big bed. Let me test it. Yeah. Feels comfy. That tired me out. We have a very dashing chair. This is a cool chair. I could just be sat here with a cup of tea. Yeah. Oh, window. We'll show you outside tomorrow because it's late and it's dark. And this is, look at this coffee machine. Little coffee pots. And is this a fridge? Ooh, this is a bit posh for a Premier Inn.
It's a Premier Inn Plus room though, isn't it?
Oh, is it? Oh, did I upgrade us?
Well,
did you upgrade it?
I don't know. Didn't think so.
Ooh, chocolate, green and blacks. Continuing the room tour. So I have a nice desk area. I will test the chair. Yay! Oh, I feel a bit sick now. I've gone dizzy. Too old for this. So, under the TV we have another seat. There's a lot of seats in this room, isn't there?
That's for you doing your hair though, isn't it?
Yes.
And your makeup.
So this is a nice little area to, I don't do makeup, but yeah, do my hair. Okay, and now we will go, oh wait, we'll have like a little wardrobe area with some more pillows.
Yeah.
Pillows, coat hangers. Behind this, what's behind there? Behind this bit here.
Ironing board.
Ironing board.
And iron.
An iron, yeah, they won't be getting used. Okay.
Maybe you can iron my shirt for me tomorrow.
I definitely will not be ironing my shirt for you. Now we go into the bathroom. Oh, there's another light. Ooh, look at this shower. This is massive. I could definitely do the arm thing in this one.
Get in it.
Okay, let me take my shoes off. Massive.
How many people could you get in the shower?
Probably like 3 in a row. You couldn't get anyone side by side.
Definitely 4.
Maybe 4. But this person over here is not getting showered. They're just stood there cold. This person here also probably not getting showered. But then them two there, they're getting showered. And then we've got lavender and bergamot. That sounds nice.
What is it? Shampoo?
I don't know. Visually impaired. Oh no. Oh yeah, hair and body wash. Yeah.
And then that's body wash as well.
Body wash. How do you say that word?
Out.
Out. Cedar and amber.
That's manly, that one.
So then we have the towels, and then swap places, and we have the sink area, and lots of space for all our junk, which will be there shortly. More. What flavour is this one? Oh, it's the oud.
If that's how you say it.
No, it's probably not how we say it. Please let us know in the comments how you say it, because we don't know.
A-U-D. Oud?
No,
Oud.
it's an O in it.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
O-U-D.
Oud.
Oud. Very interesting artwork on the wall, but no offense to the
Stanley Ellis.
Stanley Ellis.
Untitled. In 2018.
Hey, look at the size of this bedside. Is this to go with my chair? Can we take my chair?
Yeah, probably.
It's quite heavy, you know. Oh, yeah. Proper. Put kettle.
No.
And that concludes the room tour. let me tell you about our counties challenge if you're not familiar. So we're on a mission to visit all 48 counties in England. So this is our 4th one. We've been to Merseyside, Lancashire and Greater London, and now we're in Warwickshire. So if you want to watch those videos, I will link below, and do subscribe if you want to follow our journey around England.
These espresso pods. It doesn't say what any of them are.
Are they different?
Yeah, different colours.
Oh yeah, but you don't know what they are. Ooh, that got me excited.
Coffee and coffee. Different coffee.
What tea have they got?
English breakfast, Earl Grey, 3 mints. They have extras downstairs, don't they?
Oh yeah. Are there any biscuits? Is it just chocolate?
Just chocolate.
Why? You want chocolate with a brew though? You have biscuits with a brew.
We bring our own biscuits.
Yes, we
because
do.
We're old.
So we recently stayed at a Holiday Inn in Blackpool. I will link that down below. Please do go and watch it. And while we were there, we were discussing whether Holiday Inns were better than Premier Inns. And what have we decided? Have we decided Premier? Well, actually, this room is a Premier Inn Plus, so I feel like it has got an advantage because we were just in a normal Holiday Inn room, because it's got a really jazzy little coffee machine.
Did the Holiday Inn have a fridge?
Yes.
Yes, it did. This one's got a fridge.
And this one's got a fridge. But if we'd not paid extra for this Premier Inn Plus, probably wouldn't have a fridge or the jazzy coffee machine or a million chairs.
And mirrors.
And mirrors. So, maybe they're kind of equal. So yeah, if you want a budget hotel and there's a Holiday Inn or a Premier Inn, just go for whichever's cheapest. So these are labelled. I did not know this. I was just pressing them a lot to try and make it do what I wanted it to do. But they're labelled. Okay, so I have just realised that there is a big downside to this room. There is not enough storage. There is literally this, and there's like some coat hangers, a little shelf, but then there's nowhere else to put any clothes.
So nothing under the bed? No, there's nothing under the bed.
So we're staying for 2 nights, and now where am I going to put them? I'm going to have to leave them in the suitcase. I'll put them on this. Should we put them on this? Could this be our cooling area? So it doesn't look very tiny, is it? So yeah, boo boo Premier Inn, thumbs up, Holiday Inn because it had loads of storage.
How is that enough breakfast?
This is my sandwich.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I did already have toast.
I forgot about that.
Round 3 of Scott's breakfast.
Only a little breakfast.
You've had, what have you had?
A fryer, a chocolate,
A cake.
blueberry muffin, and now pancake and soup.
I got excited when I saw this. I thought they were going to have a lot of tourist information leaflets, but this is kind of pitiful. So we've just come back from breakfast. I didn't really rate it. What did you think?
No, the hot food was cold.
Yeah, the hot food.
Yeah, was cold and yeah.
There weren't a lot of choice. They weren't very good at refilling things. Like there was no yogurt. Because I always have the continental because I can't eat a lot, and I felt the continental option was very poor. Yeah, it was a bit untidy. There was an egg on the floor pretty much the whole time we were there. Yeah, it was.
The bacon was anemic, and the hash browns were
very
crispy,
egg,
really crispy, and the
egg was...
fried egg was hard.
Yeah, and for me, as a visually impaired person, it was far too dark. I found it a bit overwhelming. But yeah, so we do normally like Premier Inn breakfast, but we didn't really rate this one. We've got it again tomorrow. Okay for that. Yeah, so now we're gonna go over to, where are we going?
Stratford-Upon-Avon.
Yeah, we're gonna go and visit the Shakespeare things. So yeah, come with us. How was your breakfast?
The breakfast was better today. Obviously we stayed 2 days. This morning it was better. We had to wait a little bit for bacon and black pudding and stuff, but like at least it was fresh and it looked nice. It was tasty. It was good.
So we're all packed and we're about to check out. We've had a really nice stay at the Premier Inn in Warwick. Location wise, it's a bit out of the way. There isn't really anything nearby that you can really walk to, so you probably do need a car to stay. It was £3 per night to park, so not too much.
Was the bed comfy? Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, I love a Premier Inn bed. We should buy a Premier Inn bed.
Can do.
You can, I know. Yeah, they're really comfy. I slept fine. Yeah, did you sleep okay?
I slept fine, yeah.
Yeah, so we've enjoyed our stay. We didn't have any issues. Oh, there was a hole in one of the towels. That's not great. But we didn't complain about it because presumably they'll notice and replace that when they wash it.
Yeah, it was clean. It just had a hole in, didn't it?
Yeah. So now we're off to Warwick Castle. Let's go. We hope you enjoyed our trip around Warwickshire. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Are you ready for it? I just have to get on first. Your brother. Oh, okay.